coming in the front door. This citrus acid yellow. It's so bright and cheerful. And boom. What a view. Come on. These gabled ceilings just provide so much more drama than the average Eichler. Let's go in and take a look. This is a double gable Eichler, so right away we see here's the first gable. We're standing under it. But this also is an Atrium model. So it has two of the most popular features, double gable and Atrium. This is a double gable Eichler. Two A-frame roof lines mirror each other and frame either side of the atrium. This model was built in 1970 and designed by Claude Oakland. This home has all the sunshine and optimism that we would expect from an Eichler. And because this is a little bit later model, it enjoys a little bit larger of a footprint and a little bit larger lot. You will feel kind of the freedom that represents as we tour the house. Let's go inside. It's evening here, and so the light is beginning to be golden. And the drama of this house is just undeniable with this almost two-story vaulted ceiling in the middle, but we still have the post and beam construction. And then the lines run through the house and out into the eaves. And then they've extended the lines in this house out to this pergola. And they pretty much lined it up. They lined up that one visually, so there's just, it looks continuous. I mean, of course I can see a break in it, but your eye is tricked from here. It's so great. So we enter this house through the courtyard and into the main living area. And I don't know if it captures on this video, but this space is so incredibly open. It's just fantastic. And to add further definition, the tile kind of delineates a hallway. So this tile runs along this area where you walk into the house, and it leads the way to the kitchen. And then the carpet on the floor kind of delineates the living room and dining room space. So I want to draw your eyes to a few of the features of this kitchen, and I will give you some close-ups. First of all, we have the tile floor. And the tile floor is throughout the kitchen. As we know, Eichlers are on a poured slab foundation, so there's no crawl space underneath. So when I see an Eichler that has tile floors, that is a happy update. Now, you can always update them if you want. You could change them out, but I see tile as a very attractive option, especially for kids and pets. The other thing that I'm going to point out in this kitchen is there are some original features. This has been updated, but this is original. Now, Eichler used to have the ability in some of the houses to pivot this section of the table. So you could put it out as a peninsula in one direction or out as a peninsula in the other direction. This is still Formica as a treatment, and so I think that this is original, but let's see if I can get in here. I think this is original, but this never was a pivoting table. Let's head from the kitchen into the garage. Very nice, very clean. It has been freshly painted, but not too many other updates. And I believe that the utilities are in this closet, so we will go out and have a look there. So through here is the primary suite, and we can already see that that has been updated at some point in time. So there's the the ensuite. We'll go back and visit that. And here's the primary suite. Here we have what is staged as a kid's bedroom. Very sweet. Hey, I love a sculptural giraffe with a knit texture. Any knitters in the house? This one is actually seed stitch. Just saying. That is a cute animal. And here we also have the slub textured original burlap covered doors. You can see some of the imperfections that I was talking about. I think it just provides more depth, more interest, visual interest. All right, outside we have a full wall of glass, floor to ceiling, and this is that textured glass that almost has like a lenticular pattern. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's kind of from far it's a little bit pebbly, and then up close it's more, you can see the teeny tiny lines in it, but it lets in so much light. So it's wonderful. It, you know, protects your privacy. If you were entertaining in the courtyard in the atrium, then you would be walking along this hallway. So down here we have, two sinks. So a double vanity, and then a shower, and then a toilet. So that is the hall bath. Here is the hall closet. And now we are going to go into a third bedroom. And this one as well has the original burlap covered doors. What a gold find. And now, for any of you who've watched my channel, you've heard me say this before, but this is my favorite room in the house, and most often it's staged as an office. This one really kind of takes the cake though, because it's so dramatic. You're looking at that whole triangle is glass. And then we come in. I don't even know if my camera can handle how bright it is. And then, okay, so that half of that entire wall is glass. So the lower half is regular, sheetrock. And then the upper half is glass. And then this entire wall is glass with the door, sliding glass door out to the atrium. I mean, this room, it just has so much drama. This backyard is very, very appealing. We have rain chains into buckets. I can't imagine the lovely sound that makes. And then we have this pergola, which looks very sturdy. It's quite impressive. So this would provide shade. They have it staged with a dining table. I feel like that would be absolutely the way to go. There are rose bushes and wonderful plantings. Those look like fruit trees. That looks like an orange tree. So many wonderful places to sit. Yeah, and here, let's just bury our noses in the orange tree for a minute. So great. Here's a fantastic view from the back. Just gives you a sense of the scale of this backyard. And over here, the side yard is very clean and well done. You have a lot of area to play with here. Then let me just show you one other thing. I think this is kind of cool. They have a double wall here. And so the first is a gate. I should say a double gate situation. So first gate, then you could put your trash cans over here. and then the next gate, you take your trash cans out to the street. So what do you think of that? Wasn't that a great tour? I think this house is so bright and cheerful. I could totally see moving in. If you like this video and you want help identifying your next house, or you want help selling your house and moving into something that would suit your style more, reach out. Let's have a conversation. I would be so happy to connect with you.